My car's so dirty. I don't really feel like washing it. I'll show you why I need to wash it because it's so bad. Back for another video, you guys, with a very dirty car. I'll show you what I mean. Bad that is. You see that? That's mold and mildew off of the roof of the gas station when I was filling up gas that they decided to pressure wash on top of my car. So dirty the brakes are. Look at these. I don't even know what this is. Just stains. We're gonna get this all cleaned up. Welcome back to another video, you guys. My name is Ryan. This is my channel, Car Therapy. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Setting up my Costco handy table for all of my tools to wash my 2022 BMW X6. That is my pressure washer, which is a terrible cord that always gets knotted, but it's been faithful to me over the last several years. Got the Flexzilla pressure washing hose. So much better than the one that the standard pressure washer came with. I think it's a Sunjo is the brand of my pressure washer. Already starting to look better with just a little bit of water on it. Clean most of the stuff off the hood, so that's good. Well, I was hoping to get some cloud coverage, but it just never came. You never really want to wash your car in the sun, but in this case, I didn't have much of a choice, so. It does look better with one quick hit of the pressure washer. You can already see the mineral white starting to come through. So when I bought this hose, the 25 footer, I wish I bought a 50 footer because it's always too short. I think the reason I didn't want to wash my car today is because it takes me anywhere from 2 to 2.5 hours to fully clean it. If I'm filming, it's more like 3 hours, but here we are. This is the old faithful wheel cleaning bucket. You can see the decal on the side is starting to just fade away to nothingness. This has been a really good bucket for me. It's lasted many, many, many years. Putting some auto gleam in there. And then here's some new wheel cleaner I'm trying out. It's Simonize. And I would honestly say it was okay. I do like their iron remover. It seemed to work really, really well, which you'll see in the video in just a bit. All right, well that's doing. Well that's going, we're gonna do a little mix of this Polar Blast. Yes, the old Polar Blast, the Auto Gleam. Glim? I believe it's a UK-based company. Love their products. Actually, the foam cannon that I use, that I'm spraying here, is from them as well. I always have good intentions when I start cleaning the wheels, and by the time I've got to the fourth one, I just want it done. These wheels aren't too bad. They're easier to clean than the summer 22-inch wheels and tires I have. So I got most of the iron off of the wheels. There's a little bit left, but I'll do like a spring cleanup later. Red brake calipers look pretty darn good. I normally start at the front of the car, but it's a little bit too sunny. I got the two bucket wash method. We're gonna foam can in the back. Yes, let's get to the rear of the vehicle. Hit it with that foam cannon. And we're gonna use, like I said, that 2-bucket wash method. Nice mitt for the top, and then we're gonna swap out for a different mitt on the lower part of the bumper. Just a few friendly neighbors coming by to say hi. Probably wondering what this weirdo is doing, foam cannoning up his vehicle with so much soap. All right, let's get back into the action. Now we're doing the driver's side. So I typically do it in panels for the driver's side, the passenger side, the rear bumper, the front bumper kind of thing, depending on where the sun is going. And then I foam cannon those sides. I do the 2-bucket wash method, as you can see here. I've got my chemical guys, buckets, and I'll give it a good rinse. And that's about it. That cleans up that side, and then we're gonna hit it with some of the iron remover in a bit. I typically do the top, so the roof of the car, which is kind of a pain in the butt to get at. I should probably be using a step stool, but I stand on the tires or I stand in the door. I usually do that first, but I didn't because it was so sunny today. Now we're gonna hit the front of the car, which was one of my favorite parts. Probably the most detail-orientated part, especially with that grille. beautiful, big, iconic glow kidney grille. By the way, if you haven't figured out how to keep that on while you're driving the car at night with your headlights on, there's a way you can do that. I'll put a link to that above so you can click and watch the other video. Just about done here, having my daughter join me for the party. She's washing the front bumper and helping me out a little bit. If you didn't already notice, I always start washing from the top of the door down to the bottom, changing the mitts towards the bottom of the door panels. All right, car is clean now. I gotta get these iron spots removed. Thanks to the subscribers here, you guys recommended an iron remover. Works like a charm. Anybody might be wondering, this is the product I'm using, and I love it. It works great. It's the only one I've used. If you guys have any other recommendations, drop them in the comment section below. And what I'm doing now is just spraying the iron remover all across the door panels. This is only about a minute in. Look at all the iron bleeding out. You probably saw the wash car on camera and thought, oh, it looks pretty clean. But this is all the buildup that you really can't see unless you spray the iron remover on it. I'll let this sit for 5 minutes and then we rinse her off. I'll show you the back. You can see how much is collected. Bleeding out, especially down here by the fenders, the rear bumper. Just gonna hit that iron remover with the pressure washer, rinse it off. I have used a mitt in the past. It's just as effective with water. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Super happy with the way it came out. Check this out. I love the mineral white in the sun. It's almost like the frozen white that BMW has, but a little bit more metallic-y and not so flat. Look at the front. Yeah, that looks great. Crisp. Let's check out the back. That's the difference between the X5 and the X6 right there. Sweet design. All right, guys, I'm gonna go clean up. I'm done. That was a labor of love. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Interior came out real nice. Everything looking super clean. All right, one last shot. Man, that side profile is beautiful.